In this video, we are going to use operators and variables in order to work with numbers. We will use a sprite called Gobo, who will ask the user to enter two numbers and then add them together and display the answer. First, we must ask ourselves what variables we will need. Well, if the user is going to enter two numbers, we need to create two variables, one for each number the computer must remember. Let us create the variables num1 and num2 for these two numbers. We will also need a variable to keep the sum of num1 and num2, so we create a variable called sum. Remember to remove the ticks from the checkboxes to stop the variables from appearing on the stage. Gobo must ask the user to enter the first number. Use an ask block and type in enter the first number. Any value the user types in will be kept in the built-in variable called answer. But as any variable can only hold one value at a time, we need to transfer the value from answer to one of our own variables. Let's drag a set block onto the script pane, then choose the num1 variable from the list. Drag the answer variable into the space in the block. To get the value for num2, we repeat the process. Use the ask block to get the number, type in enter the second number, then transfer it to the num2 variable by using the set block and the answer variable just as before. Now we want the computer to add these two numbers together. To add numbers, we go to the operators category and choose the plus operator. Drag this operator onto the script pane and drag the variables num1 and num2 into the operator. The plus operator is not linked to the script yet. We want to transfer the answer, num1 plus num2, to our variable called sum. So we drag another set block onto the script pane, choose sum from the list, and drag the plus operator into the space in the block. To display the value of the sum variable, which is the answer, we drag a say block onto the script pane. We want the sprite to say the answer is, and then the answer. This means that we must display some text and variable. To do this, we need the join operator. Drag the join operator into the say block and type the answer is with a space after is so that there will be a space between the text and the answer. The answer is the value kept in the sum variable. Now let's run the program to see if it works correctly. We enter the first number, 25, and the second number, 5, and see that Gobo gives the answer 30, which is correct. This is our first activity in working with numbers. You can experiment on your own with the other operators.